What is the history of safety standards in mechanical engineering? Imagine working with huge boilers or heavy machinery without any safety rules. Dangerous, right? Over time, engineers and organizations created safety standards to prevent accidents and save lives. The story begins in the early 1900s when industrialization was booming and machinery was getting bigger and more complex. This increase in machinery raised the chances of accidents, especially boiler explosions, which were common back then. To tackle this, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers started the Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code in 1914. This code set rules for building boilers that could handle specific pressures safely. It was the first formal safety standard in mechanical engineering, aiming to stop deadly explosions. By 1915, procedures were in place to interpret and enforce this code, and a special committee was formed to help states and cities adopt it. Around the same time, in 1916, safety standards for cranes were introduced, which later became the well-known B30 standards for crane safety. In 1918, the American Engineering Standards Committee was formed, which later became the American National Standards Institute. This group coordinated safety codes across different engineering fields, including mechanical engineering. In 1921, the first American Standard Safety Code was approved, focusing on protecting workers' heads and eyes, showing safety was expanding beyond just machinery to worker protection. Throughout the 20th century, organizations kept adding more safety rules for valves, fittings, gaskets, screw threads, and other parts. These standards made sure that mechanical components were designed and built safely and reliably. The National Board of Boiler and Pressure Vessel Inspectors was created in 1919 to help enforce these rules across different states. In the United States, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration was established in 1970. This agency created federal rules to protect workers from hazards like chemical exposure, unsafe equipment, and construction dangers. These regulations made workplaces safer and helped prevent injuries. Today, safety standards in mechanical engineering are a mix of rules from organizations like the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the American National Standards Institute, and international bodies such as the International Organization for Standardization. These standards cover everything from design and manufacturing to installation and maintenance. They help prevent accidents, injuries, and equipment failures. Following these rules is essential for engineers because it protects workers, users, and the environment. It also helps reduce legal risks and ensures systems work properly over time. The history of safety standards shows how engineers and organizations have worked together over more than a century to make mechanical systems safer. From early boiler rules to modern international standards, these safety guidelines continue to evolve with new technology and better understanding of risks. They remain a vital part of professional engineering, guiding safe and reliable mechanical work everywhere.